Hellcat.
Hey, what's up guys, Nathan TJV here, back with another video, and in today's video, I'm back here in the Nether, and I'm back in the portal room in the Nether, because I need somewhere safe to start the video, because, you know, there's gas and wither skeletons, and by the way, I saved you the trouble, and I've finished the bridge off camera. Of course, I had to grab some more cobblestone, but it was more than I needed, so yeah. Anyways, let's go explore some more of the Nether, the Nether Fortress, yeah. Oh, right, I meant to, in the last video, which was episode 18, I meant to I meant to name it Nether Fortress Exploration, but it wasn't that much of the Nether Fortress Exploration. But it will be in this video, so yeah. Before we start today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and tap that bell, because so you can be notified of all my future updates. And something really common I've been asking was what new type of series I should get. Look at this nice bridge. Well, maybe it wasn't the best idea to put cobblestone and the same type of cobblestone wall, but when you're working with all you got, kind of gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, hope you guys like this bridge. It's kind of foolproof. See, you can't really get through it. So yeah. Oh wow. Leave a like for the bridge if you think it looks nice. But you should also leave a like just because you should. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Gonna eat some bread. Alright, get on my weapon. Leave that guy alone. That pigman. Okay, where is the Nether Fortress? Wait, no, I think it's this way. I think I gotta get up here. I forgot how I do that. Guys, I think I'm lost. Hold on. Oh, he makes it look so easy. If only I had Riptide and there was a way to put water in the Nether, then that would be amazing. Oh, come on. Sorry, I couldn't post this on Saturday, but, I hope that's okay. I'll try to post it either today or on Monday. Oh, come on. I just climbed a hill and now I gotta go up another one? You know what? I'll be right back, guys. See you in a sec. Okay, guys, so it turns out that, my staircase that I built out of nether rack, I think, it's actually right here. I didn't have to climb anything, so I just... Wait, no, I only have to climb this right here. But it wasn't as hard as climbing 2. I really didn't know that was there. Well, I didn't know where I put my staircase, but hopefully I'll remember for future reference. And right, how do I get over there again? You know, I'm just gonna use some of this cobblestone I brought with... Wait, nope. There's a pathway. Did I make this? much to eat. Then we go face those wither skeletons. Oh, they spotted me. Can't let them hit me. Oh, right, I don't have a shield. No, I don't have arrows either. Ugh. That's not good. They're fast. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Get away. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm going to continue searching through the Nether Fortress on the 20th episode special. The 20th episode special. But I'm not gonna name it Nether Exploration Part 3 or 4. As you know, that will be divided into 2 parts as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and tap that bell to be notified of all my future updates. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.